Are you thinking about buying an SUV and assuming reliability comes down to luck? Here's the problem most buyers never see coming. The average SUV can quietly cost thousands every year after you buy it. Not because of fuel, not because of price, but because of repairs, insurance premiums, and depreciation stacking up year after year. And that's where most people get it wrong. Not all SUVs are money pits. Some models quietly cross 300,000, even 400,000 miles with nothing more than basic maintenance. Oil, filters, brakes, no drama, no surprise repair bills, just steady ownership that protects your wallet instead of draining it. Today, I'm breaking down 6 cheap SUVs that are actually reliable. These are vehicles with long track records, strong owner data, and reputations built on real-world use, not marketing claims. By the end, you'll know which SUVs are worth owning long-term and which ones only look affordable on paper. If your goal is to buy once and drive for years without constantly worrying about repairs, insurance hikes, or resale value, this list is for you. Let's start the countdown. Number 6, Kia Sportage. The Kia Sportage is one of those SUVs many buyers still underestimate, mostly because of what Kia used to be, not what it is today. Early generations struggled with consistency, but later Sportage models quietly fixed most of the problems that hurt the brand's reputation. That shift matters if you are shopping used and trying to avoid long-term repair costs. From around the mid-2000s onward, the Sportage began showing up in reliability studies with above-average scores. Owners consistently report reaching 180,000 to 220,000 miles with routine maintenance, not major drivetrain work. The naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engines are simple, proven, and far less stress than turbocharged rivals, which directly reduces long-term failure risk. Insurance costs are another advantage. The Sportage typically sits below class average for premiums, largely due to reasonable repair costs and solid safety performance. That means savings every single year, not just at purchase. Depreciation also works in your favor. Used Sportage models cost noticeably less than comparable Toyota or Honda SUVs, even though real-world ownership data shows similar durability. That gap allows buyers to enter at a lower price without accepting higher risk. In short, the Sportage is a quiet value play. It does not rely on hype, but on steady ownership costs and improved long-term dependability. Number 5, Honda HR-V. The Honda HR-V proves that long-term reliability does not require size, power, or premium pricing. This SUV was engineered with simplicity in mind, and that design philosophy shows up clearly in ownership data. Fewer complex systems mean fewer things that can go wrong over time. Owners routinely report reaching 150,000 to 200,000 miles with nothing more than standard maintenance. Oil changes, brakes, tires, and occasional suspension wear make up most of the long-term cost profile. Major engine or transmission failures are rare when basic service intervals are followed. Fuel efficiency is another quiet advantage. Because the HR-V is lighter than most compact SUVs, it places less stress on drivetrain components. That reduces wear while also lowering fuel costs year after year. Insurance companies factor this in as well. Lower accident repair costs and strong safety performance typically result in below-average premiums compared to larger SUVs. Resale value is where the HR-V really protects your money. Honda's reputation for durability keeps demand strong in the used market, even as mileage climbs. That means depreciation happens slowly, not all at once. The HR-V is not built to impress with speed or size. It is built to last, and that focus makes it one of the smartest long-term budget SUVs available. Number 4, Nissan Kicks. The Nissan Kicks is often overlooked because it does not try to be anything more than it is, and that is exactly why it works so well as a long-term ownership vehicle. This SUV was designed for efficiency, simplicity, and low operating costs, not performance or off-road image. From a reliability standpoint, the Kicks benefits from its lightweight construction and modest power output. The naturally aspirated engine is under very little stress compared to larger SUVs, which helps explain why owners regularly report 150,000 miles and beyond with few serious issues. Maintenance records show predictable wear items, not catastrophic failures. Insurance costs are another major advantage. The Kicks consistently ranks among the cheapest SUVs to insure. Repair costs are low, parts are widely available, and safety systems reduce claim severity. That combination keeps premiums down year after year. Depreciation also works in favor of used buyers. New models lose value quickly, but once the initial drop happens, prices stabilize. That makes the used Kicks an especially strong value for buyers focused on cost control rather than brand prestige. The Kicks is not built to impress on paper. It is built to be owned quietly, affordably, and for a long time. For buyers who want dependable transportation without financial surprises, that matters. Number 3, Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 stands out because it delivers reliability without sacrificing build quality or driving refinement. Many compact SUVs focus purely on practicality, but the CX-5 was engineered to feel solid and composed while still holding up long-term. One of the biggest reliability advantages is Mazda's decision to avoid a CVT in most CX-5 model years. Instead, it uses a conventional 6-speed automatic transmission, a design that has proven far more durable over high mileage. That choice alone reduces the risk of expensive transmission failures later in ownership. Owner reports and independent reliability studies consistently show CX-5 models reaching 200,000 miles with routine maintenance. Engines are naturally aspirated, not heavily stressed, and known for stable performance over time. Cooling systems, electronics, and suspension components also show lower failure rates than many competitors in the same class. Insurance costs are generally reasonable. Repair complexity is moderate, safety ratings are strong, and accident claims severity tends to stay low. That keeps premiums predictable instead of creeping upward year after year. Resale values remain strong as well, reflecting buyer confidence in long-term durability. The CX-5 protects your money by staying reliable, holding value, and avoiding the major mechanical surprises that turn ownership into a financial burden. Number 2, Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has built its reputation over decades by doing one thing consistently well, lasting longer than most competitors with fewer major repairs. This SUV is often used as a benchmark in reliability studies because of its predictable ownership pattern and strong long-term data. Across multiple generations, CR-V owners routinely report surpassing 200,000 miles with standard maintenance. Engines are tuned for efficiency rather than stress, which directly reduces wear over time. When serviced properly, major drivetrain failures remain uncommon, even at higher mileage. Insurance companies also view the CR-V favorably. Strong crash test performance and low repair severity help keep premiums lower than many similarly sized SUVs. That creates steady savings that continue long after the purchase price is forgotten. Depreciation is another critical factor. The CR-V holds its value exceptionally well, which reflects buyer confidence and durability. Even high-mileage examples retain demand in the used market, reducing financial loss when it is time to sell or trade. The CR-V succeeds because it avoids unnecessary complexity. It focuses on proven engineering, consistent safety performance, and predictable ownership costs. For buyers who want an SUV that simply keeps working year after year, that approach matters. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 ranks first because its reliability is not based on anecdotes or marketing claims, but on long-term ownership data collected over decades. This is one of the most widely studied SUVs in the used market, which makes patterns easy to spot. And the pattern is simple. These vehicles tend to keep going. Many RAV4 models from the mid-2000s onward are still in daily use with mileage well above 250,000 miles. Independent owner reports and available data suggest very low rates of engine and transmission failure when basic service schedules are followed. Toyota's conservative engineering plays a major role here. Engines are tuned for longevity, not performance, and components are designed to operate well below their mechanical limits. Ownership costs remain predictable over time. Routine maintenance is inexpensive, parts availability is excellent, and labor costs stay reasonable because the vehicle is mechanically straightforward. That consistency is one reason insurance providers rate the RAV4 favorably, keeping premiums stable compared to many competitors. Depreciation is slower than average, even in high-mileage examples. Demand stays strong because buyers trust the platform. The result is an SUV that protects value, minimizes risk, and delivers exactly what long-term ownership requires. These 6 SUVs stand out because real ownership data shows they stay on the road longer, cost less to insure, and avoid the repair patterns that drain owners over time. Each one trades flashy features for proven engineering, predictable maintenance, and slower depreciation. If the goal is to buy once and keep driving without financial surprises, these are the models that consistently deliver.